Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo using passcode in 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Venmo using passcode in two-factor authentication, start by opening the Venmo app on your device. Log into your existing account using your email or phone number and your password. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy to adjust your security preferences. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication and tap on it. You will see a brief description of two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to enable two-factor authentication. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone number if it's not already linked to your account. Once you enter your phone number, tap Next to proceed. Venmo will send you a verification code via SMS to the phone number you provided. Check your text messages for the code and enter it into the provided field in the app. After entering the code, tap Verify to confirm the phone number. Next, choose your preferred method for receiving future authentication codes. You can opt for a text message or an authentication app. After selecting your method, tap Done to save your settings. To test the new two-factor authentication, log out of your account. When you log back in, you will receive a prompt for your authentication code. Check your phone for the code and enter it to access your account. If you have enabled a passcode for additional security, you will need to enter it next. Your passcode should be 4 to 6 digits, chosen by you during your initial setup. Once you've entered your passcode, you will be successfully logged into your Venmo account. Congratulations, you have now authenticated with Venmo using a passcode in two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.